Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Fried. For today's recipe, we're going to be showing you all how to make delicious fried mutton chops. These mutton chops work great as an appetizer and also the main dish if you pair it with some rotis. So let's see how it's made. We'll begin with first marinating our chops. Make sure to get each chop individually separated from the rack when at the butcher's. Begin the marination with 1 teaspoon salt, followed by 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and then 1 teaspoon green chili paste. Mix it well so that every chop is nicely covered. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and mix well. The mustard oil will help the meat tenderize faster. The 1 to 2 hours that the mutton needs to marinate is the time that we are going to use to prepare the gravy. In a pan, add sesame oil and saute 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well and saute till the onions become soft. Now add 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes and cook them till the tomatoes get mushy. Now pour in half a cup of water to create a gravy, and one by one place the marinated chops in this gravy. Cover with the lid and let one side of the mutton chops cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Add more water if needed. Now flip the side and cover with the lid to let the chops cook for another 10 minutes or so, or until the meat turns tender. If you find the meat is tender enough, then let the excess water evaporate, leaving behind a thick sticky gravy. Now let the chops cool down to room temperature before we begin coating them. Step 1 is to nicely cover the chop in breadcrumbs. Step 2 is to dip it in beaten egg and give it an egg wash. Step 3 is once again covering them with breadcrumbs. And then finally fry the breadcrumbs covered chops in oil. Fried mutton chops are best enjoyed hot with a side of green coriander chutney and sliced onions. So what are you waiting for? Fry up some chops right away and let us know how they turned out in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and click the recipe boxes on your screen for some of our other mutton specialities.